Hello and welcome back to Grad-Dreams YouTube channel. This is Sanjana here and today we are going to talk all about University of Reading. But before that, if you are someone who is looking for study in UK, then check out the appointment link in the description box below and clear all of the doubts. University of Reading is a public research university located at Berkshire, England. It was established in the year 1892 and received the university title in the year 1926. There are around 19,000 plus students enrolled, out of which 12,000 plus students are for undergraduate courses and 7,000 plus students are for postgraduate courses. The acceptance rate for the international students is around 25%. The top bachelor's and master's program to study at this university are Business and Management, Food Science, Agriculture, Marketing and many more. The university rank around 169 as per the QS World University ranking and 34 as per the Times University Guide. The university accepts English proficiency examinations such as IELTS, TOEFL and PT. IELTS score ranging between 6.5 to 7, TOEFL score ranging between 88 to 100 and PT score ranging between 69 to 74. These are the basic requirements for both undergraduate and postgraduate courses. The bachelor specific requirements are the student need to score a basic average score ranging between 83 to 70% in both 10th and 12th grade, official transcripts and mark sheets of 10th and 12th grade, SOP and LORs. The master specific requirements are the student need to score 60% and above in their bachelor's degree, official transcripts and mark sheets of their bachelor's degree, SOP, LOR and resume. The university doesn't require an application fee for the postgraduate courses, but it surely requires for the undergraduate courses, and it ranges between 27 GBP to 30 GBP. The tuition fee usually ranges between 16,000 GBP to 20,000 GBP for both undergraduate and postgraduate courses. But it is important to note that the tuition fee changes according to your choice of program. The university offers both scholarship and accommodation to all of the international students. The scholarship is given on the merit basis, and the accommodation is available for both undergraduate and postgraduate students. For more detailed information on scholarship and accommodation, you can check out the link in the description box below. Coming to the important part of the video, that is the jobs and salaries. The average base salary of an alumni graduated from this university usually ranges between 37,000 GBP to 57,000 GBP on annual basis. It is important to note that the salary changes according to your choice of program, and it is important to note that the salary changes according to the profile, location and more importantly the career background. So that was it for the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon for more updates from Grad-Dreams.